Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to take a trip to Florida. Did you know that Florida is the only state in the United States to have extensive shallow coral reef formations near its coasts? We are going to take a trip to the Florida Reef Tract and learn how the animals and coral work together in their ecosystem. So put on your scuba gear and get ready to dive into learning. The Florida Reef Tract stretches 358 miles. These reefs create specialized habitats that provide shelter, food, and breeding sites for numerous plants and animals. Corals are technically animals, but microscopic plants live within the coral tissues. They live in a symbiotic relationship. The animals benefit from the oxygen and sugars that the plants provide, and the plants gain nutrients from animal waste and are protected within the coral tissue. The tiny plants give the coral most of its color. The Florida Reef Tract most closely resembles a barrier reef. However, these reefs are closer to shore and lack the shallow inshore lagoons found in barrier reefs, so they are more of a bank reef. Corals are often divided into two categories, stony coral and octocoral. The stony coral are the major reef artifacts. The Florida Reef Tract houses more than 45 species of stony coral. Polyps, the living portion of coral, extract calcium from the water and combine with carbon dioxide to construct the limestone skeletons that form the reef backbone. The octocoral look like strange trees or shrubs and are also composed of living polyps. These polyps are unable to build thick limestone skeletons, so they are supported by an internal structure composed of gregonin. The most common types of octocoral in Florida are sea fans, usually pale lavender or green, and sea whips that have long feather-like branches that spread in all directions. The Florida Reef Tract houses over 37 species of octocoral and is home to many animals and over 70 species of sponges. The most coralful and abundant animals include the porkfish, parrotfish, angelfish, triggerfish, barracuda, moray eels, snake eels, the nurse shark, the bull shark, the southern ray, and sea turtles. The coral reef supports all of these animals and serves as the foundation of a complex food web. The important thing to remember is that the animals and the coral reef work together and help each other survive every day. I hope you enjoyed our dive through the Florida Reef Tract and learned about this diverse ecosystem. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Have fun!